In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a WPS file in Word step by step. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Step 1. If you want to open a WPS file in Word, the first thing you need to do is change the file extension from WPS to .docx. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on File menu. From there, select Save As. Under Save As, you will see multiple Microsoft Word format options. Choose your folder location and give it a name. Since you are currently using a WPS Writer document, you need to convert it to Word. Now look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of formats. Choose .docx. After that, click Save. Your document will now be saved as a .docx file. If you're using WPS Office on the web online version, then just click on Download. It will automatically download as a .docx file. Step 2. Now open Microsoft Word. Then click Open. Next, click Browse, find the saved file, and then click Open. And just like that, you've successfully opened a WPS file in Word. Now you can save it from here. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.